Can I come in?
Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Miss Henderson. I'm going to be your nursing assistant today, and today I'm here to feed you a snack. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Sounds good? Okay, so I am going to go wash my hands and gather my supplies, and I'll be right back, okay? So you head over to the sink, wash your hands, check the temperature of the water, make sure it's not too hot, it's not too cold. Washing my hands for 15 to 20 seconds, drying my hands. Take another tissue, turn the faucet off to maintain proper infection control. Then head back to my patient. Hi, I'm back. Can I quickly verify your name and date of birth?
Yeah, Tommy, 11:30.
Okay, Tommy. Can I see your ID? Okay, so how is your day going? Are you in any
good.
pain, any discomfort?
I'm good.
You're doing good. Okay. So the patient is sitting in a chair. They make sure the patient is sitting in an upright position to prevent aspiration. Tommy, I am going to be putting a barrier on your clothing to protect your linens from getting soiled, okay? The equipments for the scale is we have apple juice, we have water, and we have applesauce as a snack. As per your care plan, I'm going to clean your hands, make sure your hands are clean for the meal. And Tommy, which one would you like to start with first? Would you like to have a sip of water, or you would like to start with the...
Could I just have the applesauce?
You just want to have the applesauce? Okay, so let me give you a little applesauce. Okay. How does it taste?
Really good.
Is it good?
Really good. You
Oh.
should try some.
I, I just had my lunch actually,
Oh, okay.
so I like applesauce too, but at this time I just had my lunch. Okay. How is your swallowing ability? Is it good? Can you open your mouth so I can check for any pocketing or anything? Okay, great. So would you like some apple juice, or you want some water?
Stick with water.
You stick with water? Okay, so I'll give you some water. All right. So would you like to taste some more? Okay, I'll give you a little bit more. Is it yummy?
Yes, really.
Is it spicy?
Just a little bit spicy.
It's a little bit spicy.
Yeah.
So maybe I can tell the dietitian next time, like when they're setting up your tray, not to make it so spicy, right? You want to try some of the apple juice?
Yeah, I tried the apple juice.
Okay. Good. All right, let me know when you want to try some more,
I'll take more. I'll take more.
a little bit more. Okay, good. Can you open your mouth so I could check for pocketing? I don't see you holding. Pocketing is holding the food in the back of the throat, which can contribute to aspiration. So you, after every 2 bites, you have to check for pocketing and check how they're swallowing. Would you like to get some more water?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Guys, correction for the video. So we need the intake flow sheet. So if one student can kindly make an intake sheet for me, and we need a pen. So that's part of the equipment for the feeding. The applesauce, the water, the hand sanitizer, clothes protector. So I need a flow sheet for I&O sheet. Can somebody quickly make one and put it here for me? Because we're gonna need to document that at the end. Please. Okay, good. Do you want to try anything more, or you're good?
Do you have anything else?
That's all they have today. They sent up for you just the apple.
No lobster?
Nothing,
Oh.
no. That, according to your care plan, it said just feed you apple sauce.
Okay, then I guess that's it.
It's okay? All right, so what I'm going to do now, Tommy, is that I'm going to be wiping your chin I'm going to be removing your bibs in this way, so if there's any food particles, we can get it out. I'll place this into the hamper, and also I have to wipe your hands again. Turn it over. Okay, so Tommy, what I'm going to instruct you to do now is to sit up for 30 minutes so your food can actually digest and you wouldn't aspirate. And I'm going to get ready to head to the sink and clean everything up. I'll be right back with you. In the meantime, I'm going to give you your call bell. Would you like to read a magazine or watch TV?
Can I watch TV?
Okay, so I'm going to give you the remote and your call bell, okay? And I'm gonna clean up. I'll be right back. So if it's a disposable spoon, you're gonna throw it out. The cups, if it's the patient's cup, you're gonna wash and disinfect the cup and put it, dry it, and put it into its designated area. You are gonna be washing your hands. Tommy, where would you like me to store your cup?
You can put my bedside table.
You want it at your bedside table? Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good. So we're gonna place this on your bedside table. Okay, so we got your cup there. The next thing we have to do, we have to remove this, and the last thing will be the documentation process. So this is going to go into the dirty hamper, and hands are washed, and the last thing is documentation. Okay, so Tommy, solid food is measured in percentage. Tommy had about 60% of solid. He had a cup of water, H2O, and he had a apple juice. So the cup of water was 8 ounces. So Tommy had 4 ounces of H2O, converts that to milliliters. 4 times 30 is 12. So 1 ounce is equal to 30 mLs. So if the patient had 4 ounces, you multiply 4 by 30. Apple juice, he had only, well, he had about 2 or 3 ounces. 2 ounces only, right? I think, yeah. So he had 2 ounces of this, so that will be times 30. That will be equal to what? 60. And do the total fluid intake is 180 milliliters. So 180 milliliters of fluid intake. Do you have any questions? All right, so that is for the skill today. Take a moment before you tell Prometric your skill completes. Make sure you do the checkpoints. Tommy's sitting upright. I instructed him to sit up for 30 minutes so his food can digest. I've given him his call bell, and I offer him a magazine or his TV remote. In this skill here, you can, patient sitting in a chair, so there is no kind of privacy curtain to kind of things. So guys, that's it for today. If you like these types of content, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Please like and share, and please drop a comment in the comment sections if you want us to create CNA test videos or clinical skill video. Thanks for watching. Bye.